Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna have a replacement microwave project today. The microwave at my parents' house is not working. It's an over-range microwave, so it has mounting screws on top, and there should be a bracket on the wall. So it should be a fairly easy process, but let's make this complicated, right? You know, because nothing's easy in this house. Or any project that we're gonna do. But let me show you guys the screws, the two screws. There's one here and there's one there. Good thing is just a plug-in, so hopefully the replacement is also the same thing. It should be fairly easy. As soon as I get these two screws open, this thing will just kind of come down, and yeah, let's see how we could mess this up. So let's do it. Uno.
Ayok no ay mamanawal.
All right, that was easy. Now we're gonna take this out and bring the new one in. All right, guys. So I took out the old plate. We're gonna put the new plate. I don't. Good thing is it's the same size microwave. So I'm just gonna use the line that's here to mount the bracket, and it's pretty much centered and leveled for me. So I don't really need to do anything much. I'm just gonna put a couple of screws in, and hopefully I hit the stud. There. All right, so now this also comes with a pamphlet that the hole for the top of the cabinet, so the screws that could go into the microwave. So I'm gonna place this up here and find out where those holes are gonna sit, and then I'm gonna drill a hole so I can align it with the microwave when I'm about to mount it. So let's do that next.
الأشجار لا فائدة للقاع، بل تساعد في تثبيت الرمال وحمايتها من الرياح.
طفي صدق. Mettete?
Ma te?
Sì. Allora messi.
Me mezz'ora roba me andazza.
Ecco.
Bubba. Why does the internet keep going out?
I don't know.
They just put out.
Alright guys, so I thought I could get away from not punching any more holes in this, but this one lines up. This one is about a couple of inches over, like it's right there. So, right here. So I have to punch a hole here to accommodate for the second screw, for it to be screwed in. I'm not gonna risk just having one in because again, it's a microwave, something might fall or whatever. So I'm gonna punch a hole here, make way for the other screw to go in. So let's do that and be right back.
Like you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
And just like that, this thing lined up perfectly. Very minimal work. We're gonna plug this in, see if this thing turns on. And it does the jingle. Make sure there's nothing in there that's gonna explode. Let's take this out. Take these out. All right, let's do a test. And it turns on. Perfect. All right, successful job. So it wasn't that hard, just a few minor details that I had to fix. Other than that, it works just fine. Nothing, it wasn't that hard to do. The bracket lined up, the top brackets you have to line up. I didn't use the template that came with it because one side lined up and I just used that to make the hole to the other side. So it wasn't that big of a deal. Other than that, pretty easy install. So let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Peace out.